Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rehi, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to achieve this organza ruffle design. This design can be made as seam or smaller and placed in any part of your garment. It can be on a top, dress or skirt. Just let your creativity guide you. I'll cut the base where the ruffle will be on top. Here I use Mikado silk. I will fold the fabric into 4 and use my bust band measurement, which is 4.5 inches. Then I'll add ½ inch for sewing allowance, which will make it 5 inches. I'll mark 5 inches round and cut. I'll cut another one which will serve as lining to the base. Then I'll go to the sewing machine and sew it round. After sewing, I'll cut open at the middle, make clips and turn it out. Then I'll go to the ironing board and give it a press. After pressing, I'll fold into 4 to get the midpoint and mark with a chalk. Then I'll mark round the base with ½ inch distance. This will serve as a guide when I'm sewing the ruffle to the base. I'm going to cut long strips for the ruffles. I'll cut as much as possible and join them together. The length of the strip is 7 inches, so that when I fold it, I'll get 3.5 inches. You can choose to make yours 5 inches or 6 inches, so that when you sew, you either get 2.5 inches or 3 inches. Here I'm marking out 7 inches. This is one method of cutting the strips. The easiest and fastest method is to mark 7 inches. Make a clip with scissors and use your hand to divide it. Trust me, this method works very well for organza. I used about 2.5 yards to make this ruffle. So you can use 2.5 yards or less or even more. It depends on how big your base is and how full you want the ruffles to be. When I'm done cutting the strips, I'll cut the selvage out and join the strips together and sew. After sewing, I'll open and press the seam and then fold into 2 and pin from the beginning to the end, making sure the seams align. Then I'll sew from the beginning to the end. At one end, I'll mark about 16 inches. Then I'll mark 1 inch and connect. This part will be at the middle of the base. I'll cut it out. I'll sew down, then go ahead and weave the strip so it doesn't fray. Here I'm making pleats so that it will be easier when sewing on the base. After making the pleat, I'll sew on the base following the spiral marks I made. At the middle, I had to use hand needle and thread. I folded it like so and hand tacked it to the base. To attach it to the top, I positioned it in such a way that it is centralized. I held it down with pins. When I was okay with the position, I used my hand needle and thread to untack carefully and seamlessly. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, let me know in the comment section if you like the sleeves of this top and you want a tutorial on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.